Now, my friends, picture this. Your hotel experience begins not with frustrations, but with ease. AI welcomes you before you even arrive, adjusting to your preferences and ensuring your stay is as smooth as possible. Sounds like the future, right? But let's pause for a moment. In a world where AI can do almost anything today, how do we ensure that both guests and staff are not just passive participants, but actively engaged? How do we clarify expectations for both humans and machines so they work together seamlessly? This is where the principles of Blue Ocean strategy come into play. And at the heart of this transformation is a simple but powerful idea, and that's what we call the FAIR process. Now, welcome back here to the AI Hospitality Insights. Today, I'm your host, Artemor, and it's not just about using AI today, it's about how we use AI in harmony with human creativity to elevate the guest experience. And today we are diving deep into how AI and the fair process can redefine expectations, engagement, and ultimately value in hospitality. Are you ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about the future of hotels and hospitality? If you so, let's dive into this here today. Now, here's the thing, my friends, AI alone isn't the solution. What matters most is how we set expectations for both the technology and the people involved. Think about it like this: AI can be an incredible, powerful tool for streamlining operations and personalizing the guest experience. But without clear expectations, it risks becoming just another source of frustration. That's why fair process is so critical in this transformation. It's about creating clarity, defining roles, understanding the scope of AI, and ensuring that everyone involved, from the management to the front desks, feel engaged and heard. Now, for guests, this means their expectations are not just met but exceeded through AI's ability to anticipate their needs, combining this with a personal touch that only a human can provide. That's the key. And for the staff, it means they knows exactly how AI is there to help them, not replacing them. And when both sides understands their roles and expectations, that's when the real magic happens. That's when engagements will skyrocket. And AI isn't just a tool, it is now becoming a partner in creating incredible value for your hotel. And that's what we want to reach for all together. Now, let's talk about engagement. One of the most important principles in creating a successful AI powered hotel. Engagement is not just about interactions, it's about involvement. It's about making sure both guests and staff are an active part of the AI transformation. And here's an example. Imagine you're a guest at a hotel where AI manage your entire check-in process. No lines, no waiting, just pure efficiency. But here is the twist. You greeted not just by a machine, but a staff member who, armed with the insight the AI provides, is ready to offer personalized recommendations based on your past preference. This is the engagement that we're looking at today in real action. The AI will handle the mundane, freeing up your hotel staff to create memorable, personalized experiences. The guests feel seen, heard, and more than anything valued. Not because of the AI itself, but because of how AI and humans are working together in harmony. And for the staff, this engagement comes through clear expectations. They know exactly how the AI supports them, how it reduces their workload, and how it's empowered them to focus on what they do best, creating those personalized connections that turn a good stay into a really unique and powerful ones that they will remember forever and that they will share with their network. Now, expectation clarity is not just a buzzword, it's the glue that holds this entire process together. If staff are not clear on what AI is doing and how it's complement their roles, engagements falls apart and the guest experience will suffer. Fair process is all about making sure those expectations are clearly communicated and understood by everyone. It's about ensuring that AI isn't seen as a replacement for humans' jobs, but as a tool to enhance their ability to deliver exceptional services. And when expectations are clear, staff are not only more willing to embrace AI, they become champions of it. They see it as a way to elevate their own roles, providing higher value interactions with guests while letting AI handling the repetitive, mundane tasks. The results, my friends, expectations are not only met, they are exceeded. And that's where true value innovation happens. We are not just automating processes, we are creating entirely new ways of delivering value to our guests and staff alike. And that's the key, my friends. Now, let's talk about the all important evaluation process. How do we know if AI is actually delivering on its promises? It all comes down to how we measure success, not just in terms of efficiency, but in terms of engagement, satisfaction, and value. AI in hospitality isn't just about automating check ins or optimizing the room service, it's about creating an environment where expectations are met at every level, where guest feels like their needs are not only anticipated but exceeded, and more than anything, where staff feels empowered by the technology, not overwhelmed by it. And when we evaluate AI, we are not just looking at speed or cost efficiency. We are looking at how it enhances the guest experiences, how it fosters a deeper engagement between staff and guests, and how it helps clarify expectations for everyone involved. That's the real measure of success, my friends. And when these three principles of fair process, the engagement, explanations, and expectation clarity are working in harmony, that's when we see the true potential of AI will be released for your. Now, my friends, the future of AI in hospitality is not just about more tech, it's about better tech working alongside better people. It's about harmonizing the efficiency of AI with creativity, empathy, and human innovations that will create something truly exceptional and extraordinary. We are not just optimizing processes, we are transforming the entire guest experience through value innovation. We are setting new expectations for what hospitality can be. And we are doing it in a way that engages everyone involved, from the guest enjoying a seamless, personalized experience to the staff who feel empowered and valued. This is what Blue Ocean strategy is all about, creating uncontested market spaces by redefining the rules of the game. And with AI as our partner, the possibilities for innovations are endless. But remember, the key to unlocking this potential lays in how we engage, explain the process, and set new expectations, and how we ensure that fair process guides every step of the way. Now, my friends, as AI continues to evolve, so too much our approach to hospitality. We have the opportunity to create something entirely new now, something that goes beyond mere convenience and efficiency. We can now build a future where AI and humans work together to exceed expectations, where engagement is at the core of every interactions, and where blue ocean marketing and the fair process ensures that everyone, guests and staff alike, feels valued and empowered. The future of hospitality is not just happening, it's being created by those who are ready to lead. So the question, are your hotel and your team ready to be part of this revolution? I want to thank you all for joining in here today. And in this video, I hope we sparked some new ideas for you. And if so, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your network. And keep the conversation going in the comments below. The question is, how do you see AI transforming the future of hospitality as you know it today? Until next time, stay innovative, stay engaged, and remember, expectations are meant to be exceeded.